Hi children, good morning to all. Welcome back to your English online classes. I am Asha, your English teacher. So we have completed all the chapters that we have to study for this exam from our semester 2 textbook. Now it's the time to revise all the chapters. So today I will discuss the grammar topic from our second chapter, the wolf and the little goats. The grammar topic that we have studied from this lesson? Yes, simple past tense. How to use verbs in simple past tense. See, before that we need to identify what do you mean by tense. Tense means what? Yeah, it shows an action takes place. There are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. In present action that we are doing now, that we can include it in the present tense, and past tense means the action is already completed. And in future tense, what the action what we are going to do, we can include it in the future tense. So in this lesson we have studied simple past tense. See children, how to identify a tense in a sentence? Yes, we need to check the verb of that sentence. So like that we can identify if the sentence is in present tense, past tense or future tense. So while we are writing a sentence in simple past tense, we can add D or ED with the verb. In simple past tense, we can add D or ED with the verb. Now we can see some examples. See the first sentence. They rushed to the hospital in the morning. They rushed to the hospital in the morning. Which is the verb in the sentence? Yes, rushed. R-U-S-H-E-D. Rushed is the past tense of the base verb rush, R-U-S-H, rush. So here the verb is rushed, R-U-S-H-E-D. So that is the past tense of the base verb rush. And the second sentence, my sister danced on stage last week. My sister danced on stage last week. In the sentence, which is the verb? Yes, danced, the spelling D-A-N-C-E-D, danced. So the action is already completed. My sister danced on stage last week. So which is the base verb of danced? Yes, that is dance, D-A-N-C-E, dance. So here we need to add D with the word dance. So the past tense is danced. My sister danced on stage last week. And the third sentence, she tied the box with a ribbon. She tied the box with a ribbon. In the sentence, which is the verb? Yes, tied, spelling T-I-E-D, tied. So that is the past tense. So which is the base verb of tied? Yes, that is tie, spelling T-I-E, tie. So the sentence, she tied the box with a ribbon. So here we add D with the verb. So the sentence, she tied the box with a ribbon. That action is already completed. So that is in simple past tense. The fourth sentence, grandmother knitted in her free time. Grandmother knitted in her free time. So, which is the verb here? Yes, knitted, spelling K-N-I-T-T-E-D, knitted. Grandmother knitted in her free time. So, in the sentence, the word knitted, that is the past form. So, which is the base verb of knitted? Yes, that is knit, K-N-I-T, knit. In cases, the last letter will be twice and after that we can add D or ED with the verb. So here the last letter T twice and after that we add ED with the verb. So the word is knitted, K-N-I-T-T-E-D, knitted. The fifth sentence, John dashed to his friend's message. John dashed to his friend's message. In the bracket they are given the base verb reply, R-E-P-L-Y, reply. So how to make the past form of the base verb reply? In some cases Y will change to I and after that we can add ED with the verb. So which is the past form of the base verb reply? That is replied, R-E-P-L-I-E-D, R-E-P-L-I-E-D. In some cases, Y will change to I, and after that we can add D or ED with the verb. So the past form of reply, that is replied, spelling REPLIED. So the sentence, John replied to his friend's message. So the sentence is in simple past tense. So we have studied how to use the verb in simple past tense. So children, while you are reading storybooks, you try to identify whether the sentence is in present tense or in past tense. So I also attached the worksheet of this topic. So try to do the worksheet and try to do more worksheet regarding this simple past tense. So we can meet in the next classroom with a new topic. Till then, take care. Bye.